Generate Google Sheets planners with Gemini. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To generate Google Sheets planners using Google Gemini, start by opening your browser and going to the search bar. Type in Gemini and wait for the results to load. Then open the first link that appears so you can access the official page. Once the page is open, log in or sign into your account, because you need access before using any features. After you enter the main interface, look for the prompt bar, which is where you type your requests. Click on the prompt bar and type Generate Google Sheets Project Planner to create a basic planner, where you can type a different type of planner depending on your needs, such as a study planner, content planner, or budget planner. After typing your request, press Generate and wait for Gemini to process it. At this point, a permission request will appear asking you to connect your Google account to Gemini, so it can create files for you. Read the request if needed, then press Continue to move forward. After that, press Connect to allow the access needed for file creation. Once you approve the connection, Gemini will begin generating your project automatically. Give it a moment to finish, because the process depends on the complexity of your request. When the generation is complete, a Google Sheets file will be created and shown to you as part of the result. You will see a preview of the planner that has been made based on your prompt. To view it, you can left-click the project to open the preview directly inside the interface. If you want to make changes, you can click the link provided instead, which will open the file in Google Sheets where full editing is available. Inside the sheet, you can adjust anything you want, including titles, columns, rows, colors, and content, so the planner fits your exact needs. You can also duplicate sections or add new ones depending on how detailed you want the planner to be. By following these steps in order, starting from opening Gemini, entering a prompt, approving permissions, and accessing the generated file, you can quickly create and customize planners without building them from scratch. Once the connection is set up, you can repeat this process anytime to create new planners with different formats and purposes, making it a fast and simple way to manage projects or tasks.